If your Evernote is starting to feel messy, overloaded, or impossible to search through, this video is going to help a lot. Today I'm going to show you how to organize Evernote notebooks in a simple, practical way, so you can keep your notes clean, easy to find, and much easier to manage over time. We'll cover creating notebooks for your main categories, moving notes into the right place, grouping related notebooks with stacks, choosing clear notebooks names, and avoiding the mistake of creating too many notebooks. If you find this useful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, think about your notebook structure before you start creating random folders. In Evernote, notebooks work best when they represent broad categories, not tiny little details. So instead of making a separate notebook for every single project idea, try starting with a few major groups like work, personal, and finance. To do this, click Notebooks in the sidebar. Then click New Notebook. Give the notebook a simple name that clearly matches the category it will hold. Repeat this process for each main area of your life or work. The goal here is to make the notebook list easy to scan at a glance, because when you're in a hurry, you do not want to waste time guessing where something belongs. Once your main notebooks are set up, the next step is moving notes into the correct notebook. This is where your organization starts to feel real. Open any note you already have saved in Evernote. At the top of the note, you'll see the notebook name. Click that notebook name, and Evernote will show you a list of available notebooks. From there, choose the notebook where that note actually belongs. For example, a tax document might go into finance, a meeting summary could go into personal. Do this for your most important notes first, because cleaning up your biggest clutter points will make the biggest difference right away. Now let's make your system even better by using stacks. Stacks are a great way to group related notebooks together, so your sidebar stays organized and less crowded. If you have multiple notebooks under one theme like client work or ongoing projects, stacks can bring all of that into one place. To create or use a stack, right-click a notebook and select Add to Stack, or simply drag one notebook onto another if your Evernote version supports it. Then give the stack a clear name, like Clients or Projects. After that, you can move more notebooks into the same stack. This is especially helpful if you have separate notebooks for different clients, different semesters, or different areas of your business. Instead of seeing a long, messy list, you'll have a clean structure that makes navigation much faster. Another important tip is to keep your notebook names simple and obvious. Clear names make it much easier to remember where everything goes. And they also make your search habits better over time. Good examples include meeting notes, project archives, receipts, or journal. These names tell you exactly what the notebook is for without making you think too hard. Try to avoid vague names that sound clever but don't actually help you find things later. If a notebook name makes you stop and wonder what belongs inside it, it probably needs to be simplified. And here's one of the biggest mistakes people make in Evernote: creating too many notebooks. It feels organized at first, but very quickly it becomes overwhelming. A better approach is to use notebooks for broad categories and tags for detailed organization. That means your notebook might be work, while your tags handle things like meeting, client, invoice, or research. This gives you a cleaner notebook structure without turning your sidebar into a giant list. So remember, broad topics go in notebooks and specific details go in tags. That's the easiest way to keep Evernote scalable as your notes grow. A good workflow is to start with just a few notebooks, move your existing notes into the right categories, then add stacks only when you actually need them. Do not overbuild your system on day one. The best organization system is the one you will actually keep using. If your structure is too complicated, you'll stop maintaining it. If it's simple, you'll stay consistent. So the key idea is this: create notebooks for big categories. Move notes into the right notebook, group related notebooks with stacks, name everything clearly, and use tags for the smaller details. That combination gives you a clean Evernote setup that is easy to manage and easy to scale. If this tutorial helped you organize your notes better, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more Evernote and productivity tutorials, and let me know in the comments what part of your workflow you're organizing next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.